the winter is over. We already take we take out the tape and then the cover, and we put back the hose. So what we do, if you put it like that, see? Even if you tighten it, it still drip. See guys, even if you tighten it, it still drip. You see that? So how to fix it? How to fix it is, look at the drip right here. The drip is from here. See? From the top. So the best way to fix it, so that it will not drip or leak, whatever you call, the solution is this one, guys. See? So how to fix that is, you're gonna have a fast tape, best sealing tape, okay? So we close it. Take it out. A tape, see? Cut it. Fall. Hold on. Like that. Put the tape around the teeth of the faucet. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. Put the tip around again. Put it back here, this hose. You use a pipe wrench, tighten it. Okay, let's open. Still a little bit. See guys? No more. It's fixed now. Let's open. See? See, that's open guys, right here. But here it's not leaking. See, it's not leaking anymore in the top. Let's tighten some more. See? See guys, that's it. Open. Okay, it's right here for the hose. But if you can see, it doesn't, see, that's open guys. See, at the top, there's no more leak. Or there's no more dripping at the top. See, that's open. It's all closed and it fixed now. You cannot see any dripping or leaking in the top. See, that's open all the way. No more leak here. Because we put the fastener, fast tape for the hose, for the faucet, I mean, right here. That is to seal the faucet. That's it guys. Thanks for watching.